Sharing is caring, and it's time to show our customers that we value their feedback. We're going to send this video ask as an email campaign to our customers using MailChimp and add variables to pass their information from the email marketing tool directly to our video ask. This means we get to personalize each email, track responses, and save our customers time in having to add their contact details later on. Remember the consent form in the testimonial step? With variables, their name and email will automatically be populated. Before we share our video ask, we'll tweak the colors to reflect those of our brand. We'll do that in Settings. Then we'll go to the Recording tab and switch the recording method to Uploaded. This will ensure that we get higher quality videos for our testimonials. Once that's done, we're ready to share it. We'll go back to the inbox and click Share and Embed. To add variables to a link, you have to click here and choose contact name, contact email, or any other variable that you want to add. This adds the variable to the end of the URL, and these X's are what you'll replace with the contact name and email. Here, we want to embed our video ask in an email. So in the Email tab, we'll select Send this to multiple people. This generates a code which we'll embed into MailChimp as part of our email campaign. But as you can see, the URL here doesn't include the variables, so we'll have to add them manually. To do that, we'll just copy the link that we created from VideoAsk and replace it here in the HTML code in MailChimp. Then we'll replace the X's with merge tags, which is MailChimp's way of pulling information that you have from a contact entry. They look like this, so we'll use the merge tags for first name, last name, and email, and paste them here. Make sure you replace it in the preview code for the GIF, as well as in the link below it. All set. Now, when our customers click on the link, their name and email will be populated in the URL, so we'll know exactly how each customer answered. And if they reach the contact form for the testimonial, their name will automatically be populated here too. Now we'll wait patiently for our testimonials to start rolling in. Stay tuned.